Growing on Instagram involves a mix of strategies. Here are some tips that might help. Consistent posting. Maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Quality content is key, so focus on what your audience enjoys and finds valuable. Use hashtags wisely. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. Mix popular ones with more niche or specific tags. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and engage with your followers' content. Building relationships creates loyalty and encourages others to follow you. Collaborate and network. Partner with other influencers or brands in your niche for shoutouts, collaborations, or takeovers. This exposes you to their audience as well. Utilize Instagram Stories, Reels, and IGTV. Diversify your content by using Instagram's various features. Stories, Reels, and IGTV can attract different segments of your audience. Run contests or giveaways. Encourage engagement and attract new followers by hosting contests or giveaways. Ensure the rules involve sharing or tagging friends to expand your reach. Optimize your profile. Have a clear and attractive bio, profile picture, and use the highlights feature to showcase your best content. Make sure your profile is easily understandable and represents your brand. Analyzing insights. Use Instagram's analytics tools to understand what content performs well and when your audience is most active. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Create shareable content. Develop content that is shareable and has the potential to go viral. This could be informative, entertaining, or emotionally resonant content. Utilize Instagram ads. Consider investing in targeted advertising to reach a wider audience. Instagram's ad platform allows you to specify your target demographic. Remember, growing on Instagram takes time and patience. Authenticity, consistency, and engagement with your audience are vital components of sustainable growth. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.